Hey guys, so just by installing Rust in our operating system, we cannot run a Rust program locally. So basically for that, we must make use of another tool called as desktop development with C++ that has been used to compile a Rust program. So basically in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to install Visual Studio with the desktop development with C++ and also install Rust in our system. So let's get started. So the first step will be to install a Visual Studio in our system. So I have already installed it. So you just need to go to this website and install it. So after installing, you will see a file called as Visual Studio installer. So just open that file. So I will just provide the link of this in the description. You can get it from there. And after that, you can see this is the installer. So over here, you can just go to available page and you just need to install Visual Studio Communicator 2024 or 2000 latest version. So just install this thing. So I have already installed it. So mine is 2022 model. So I will just go to modify option over here. So over here there are the tools that are required. So you just need to search for desktop development with C++. So just tick this option, and in the right hand side you can see there are some optional things that are required. So basically for Rust programming language, the main thing that you need to install or tick from here is MSV 143, and then C++ C maker tool for Windows, and then we need Windows 11 SDK. So if you are in Windows 10, you just need to select Windows 10 SDK. So these are the three options. One is this, second one is this, and third one is this one. So just do this and just install it. So I have already done that, so I'm not going to do it again. Okay, so I will just close this. So this was the first step to install desktop development for C++. So once you are done, so now just go to Google and search for Rust install. So you will just get this website. So just go over here. Okay, and depending on your system bytes, you can just select a file. So for Windows, these are the thing, and for Linux, you can just copy this and paste it in your terminal. So we are in Windows, so I'm going to just download this file. Okay, so it's done. So let me open it and let us install. So here you can see it is giving me an option to install. So you just need to customize installation, or else you can cancel, or else you can proceed with standard installation. So I will just select one over here. Enter. Rust got installed successfully. So you can see this message. Okay, so now we have successfully installed Rust in our system. So let's check it out. So just open command prompt, okay, and type here rustc -version. So this should give you the version that is been installed in your system. And another thing is you need to make use of cargo to check the version. Cargo -version. So if both are giving you the response with proper version, that means that Rust has been successfully installed in your system. Okay, so now let's create a project. So let's go to a folder. Okay, so I just created a folder in F drive. So let me open it in command prompt. And to create a project of Rust, you just need to run a command, that is cargo new and your project name. So here I'm just making use of hello world. Okay, just click enter and you will see the Rust got created. So if you go to the folder, you can see a folder by name Rust hello world Rust has been created, and it also had the program that you want. Okay, so you can see main.rs. So now let's run that program. So now to run that program, being into that particular folder, you just need to navigate to that folder. So hello world. Okay, so now just run cargo run. Okay, so this will just compile your file, and you can see we are getting this response. So let us open the in our Visual Studio. So what we can do, we can just do it from here. So we can just type code dot. So you can see this thing. Okay, so this is the Rust program. So here we have just print statement been created. So that's all for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Proto Coders Point. Thank you.